Everteen Sanitary Pad, Double XL size, 320 mm, packing of 40 pieces, with neem and safflower, skin friendly, anti-rash, anti-tanning, advanced leak protection, new odor control, extra long pad with wide wings. Everteen, a product of Pan Health, who also manufactures Liberty adult diapers, Little Angel baby diapers. Perfect for use. 8-layer protection, cottony soft top layer, odor locking system, extra long with wide wings, advanced leaf protection, gel core helps lock fluids away, non-irritating and skin friendly. Some other products what Everteen are manufacturing: full size double XL 320 mm. Thank you.